Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about point-slope form of equations of lines. So basically, given a point x1, y1 on a line and slope m of the line, its equation can be written as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So if you know any point on the line and its slope, then you can quickly write down the equation of the line. So let's look at some examples. So in this example, we are given slope 1/6, and we know the line goes through the point 4, -3. So let's quickly graph that line. 4, -3 is right here. So it should go through that point. And slope 1/6 means when you have change in y of 1, you have change in x of 6. So if you go up by 1, then you can go to right by 6. 1, so go up by 1, then go to right by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So somewhere over here. So the graph of this line will be the line connecting those 2 points, which will look like this one. Now let's try to find out the equation of the line. We'll be using this format, y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. So these two we can consider as x1, y1, and this is m. 1/6 is m. So putting all the information we have in this format, we get y minus y1 is -3 equals slope is 1/6. X minus x1 is 4. So this is the equation. Now the rest is just simplifying. So y minus -3 is y plus 3. And we can distribute 1/6 here. So we get 1/6 x minus 1/6 times -4 is 4/6, which is 2/3. So we have this. And the last step, we can subtract 3 from both sides. So on the left, we have y plus 3 minus 3. So just y. And on the right, we have 1/6 x as it is. And -2/3 minus 3. So this 3 is 9/3. So -2/3 and -9/3 becomes -11/3. So this is the equation. Y equals 1/6 x minus 11/3 is the equation of this line. Now let's look at the next example. So in this case, we are given 2 points. Let's quickly plot them and see how the graph looks like before we find the equation. 3, -4 is right here. And the other point is -5, -3. -5, -3 is right here. So it will be a straight line going through those 2 points. So it should look like that. Now let's try to find the equation of this line. Again, we can use this form of the equation. So we need m and we need x1, y1. x1, y1 is a point. We have 2 points. So we can consider one of these two to be x1, y1. So we can either take 3, -4 as x1, y1, or we can take -5, -3 as x1, y1. So in this case, I'm going to choose -5, -3 as x1, y1 for no reason. And we also need to find m. M is the slope. So we can quickly find that using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, we can take these to be x2, y2, since we already considered those to be x1, y1. So that will give us -4 minus -3 on the top, y2 minus y1. Divide that by x2 minus x1, 3 minus -5 in the denominator. So let's simplify all this. On the top, we have -4 plus 3 because minus 3 becomes plus. So -4 plus 3 is -1 on the top. divide by 3 plus 5, which is 8. So we have 8 in the denominator, so 1/8. Negative 1/8 is the slope. So we have found m, we have x1, y1. Now we are ready to use this equation to find the equation of line. So we have y minus y1, we said will be negative 3, equals m, which is negative 1/8. X minus x1 is negative 5. So y1 and x1, they must come from the same point. You can't take y1 from the second point and x1 from the first point. Let's simplify this little further. So we have y plus 3 on this side equals negative 1/8 x. Here we have plus 5, and then we multiply that by negative 1/8. So that becomes negative 5/8. So y plus 3 equals negative 1/8 x minus 5/8. As the last step, we can subtract 3 from both sides, minus 3 here and minus 3 here. So let's see what that will give us. I'm going to write it up here. So on the left, we have y plus 3 minus 3. So just y. And on the right, we have negative 1/8x as it is. And the constant part is negative 5/8 minus 3. 3 is 24/8 to have common denominator. So negative 5 and negative 24 is negative 29. So we get negative 29/8 on the right side. So this is the equation of this line. All right, thank you for watching. Hope it was helpful. Have a good one.